Hey everybody, Mike here. I finally found it. I wanted to share it with you. How to do lip sync in PNGTube remix. It is a very possible thing to do. Yes, even after a whole lot of searching and a whole lot of videos that promised things but didn't really deliver, I finally had to hit the forums and I figured out what to do, and I'm going to share it with you right now. I got my model here. I've animated her. She follows the cursor. There's lots of things happening, some passive like animations going on. She has no mouth to speak of. So what I need to do is I need to bring in something that's going to like tell the program, you know, what to do for each phoneme that is being pronounced. So let me show you how to do that. In your editing software of choice, you need to edit all of the mouth shapes that you need. These are all the ones that are needed to work with this particular software. I want to draw attention to the way they are named. It will not accept any other naming convention besides this. And if it's a letter that it doesn't recognize, it will not use that letter either. So it needs to be named correctly. What you want to do from here is you want to go over to Stitcher tool, and that's your address for the Stitcher tool right there. And I can put that in the description so it's easy to get to. The way you want to save your files is I did 512 squared, and I believe you can change it. So and you change it here. Of course, you save it as a different size. So if it's like 120 pixels squared, you'd want to change this to 120 to match. It said 512 when I loaded up the page, so I just made them all 512. I didn't want to like risk anything. And so once you make all those, you put your naming convention in, you drag and drop them just right here, and they will populate. And if any errors come up, it will show you on the side if there's errors on it. You want to check your replacement list and do what you can to get replaced all blue. And if you can, get everything blue. I mean, why not have everything blue? You know, Smurf. So once you've done that, then you can check out preview, and it's going to show you the file it's going to make. This is the file. This is what this software down here wants. Remix wants that image. So what we'll do is we'll export that image. Come over here. Here's the image right here. Pop it open. Looks good. It's got all the little phonemes in there. The next thing I want to do is I want to bring this into Remix. So I'll go ahead and open Remix. And what I'll do is I'll add a sprite. And I'm going to find that file. It's in here somewhere. Mouth sheet, there you go. I'm going to open that. It's going to load it in. Now the next thing you want to do is take that mouth sheet and you want to parent it to whatever your head layer is. With mine, they called it, it's a weird name, they called it face skin with shadow. So that means it's face skin with shadow. And you want to take, and so this center mark, this crosshairs, you want to put that where you want the mouth to be. So it's, I don't know, just find a good spot. That's where the mouth is going to center. I know, and actually it's probably a good idea to pause the motion. There you go. It's much easier to place stuff if she's not moving around on you. And I know a lot of the videos I watch, they're like, oh, come up here to like Lipsync configuration, which is fine until you load your stuff in there and nothing works. So don't even bother with this. Don't load in Lipsync file in here. You don't need to do that. Because it's going to try to populate this and it's going to crash it every time. At least for me it does. So all you do is you just load this file in here, and once it's in there, you want to go over to tests and you want to hit advanced Lipsync. Go ahead and click on that, and it's immediate. It happens immediately. So you can take this and you can move it around, adjust it, boom. Go to my preview mode. Whoa, my goodness, I am sorry for that, guys. I'm really sorry. See, magenta is the only color that OBS likes for color key. because for some reason transparent background doesn't work on my computer. But you know, that's beside the point. That's a little side info there. But yeah, you get it to this point, you've got full lip sync, you've got all the glorious animation and the subtle movements going on. It's a beautiful thing, and I guess it could have been harder. It was just very hard to find information about this. So, hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. I mean, that's what they're all saying, right? Like and subscribe. Yeah. If you feel like doing it, do it. Nice. And maybe I'll put some more drawings or artwork up. Yeah, not a bad idea. Maybe I'll do a little a full tutorial on how I did this. Not a bad idea. You guys have a good night.